Mm-hmm. There's the Sun City Vultures.
Sun City Vultures. We live a block away from a
The
landfill.
hidden landfill in Sun City that nobody knows about. And the vultures are just waiting for all us old people to die so they can come eat us. There's a whole slew of them. See if I can zoom in on one. There's one right there.
Sun City Seagulls.
Sun City Seagulls.
They're living at the ocean.
Yeah, except these ones are waiting for you to die so they can pick your bones clean. Holy crap. Look at them all. They're riding a thermal.
Why aren't they by the dump?
I don't know, because the thermal's right here. They must have ate. Wow.
Oh, you ate already for the day.
That's crazy.
You gonna send it to you further?
Oh, he's got to go on my page and look. Out here in Arizona, we call them Mexican turkeys. Oh, and some more soup.